in Ozamiz city in Mindanao, visiting I guess a few relatives that have passed and having a little picnic, I guess, in their celebration. See these little grasses right here? These? They've been brushing against my legs all morning, and I can't tell if they are a fly or the grass when it does. It ends up driving me crazy. Ozamiz City.
Ozamiz City.
We are booking it.
Not yet booking on.
No, I said booking it. I know we're not booking on. We're booking it.
This is where we grew up with the sisters. Oh, dito lang kay property dito kay parang kaon na lang ni. Manggagamit sa manggagamit ka rin. At least ba natin pala sa Cebu pa balikan mo to by sea.
Is that to go to church the cars?
Yes. Ano to tanan?
Touring around.
So that's the tricycle I'm telling you about. That's actually one of the main transportation here in Ozamiz. Yeah, we eat barbecue there.
Interesting, these drainages all over town. And a lot of these houses have different type of drainages out front.
Mopit sa Kaskuta.
Where are we going?
During the 1600 war, you can see the bullets in there, and they say that the Mother Mary is protecting them.
Okay, we're getting ready to board a ferry to go across the channel here in Ozamiz. We are finally starting to board the ferry after like 2 hours. On the way across the bay to Bugan. Pronounced wrong, I'm sure. So we're getting closer to shore, and looks like these, I don't know, fishing huts or something. Are those fishing huts? Or what are those?
Those are fishing hubs. Those are fishing hubs. Fish pen.
Oh, fish pens.
Yeah. Those are where the net of the fish will get inside. Yeah, there's a net. Once they put it down, the fish will go inside, and that's when they get it.
They just pull it up.
Yes. It's a fish pen.
The roll on, roll off ferry.
Kung gusto ka muna,
Mukas.
ayaw na.
Mukas.
Dili ka gusto nga mabuyog. Mabuyog dili ka.
We're just off the
Naay pa.
ferry. Oh, the road's quite bumpy here.
Tulo na kasakyan na. Na-advance mamagigil na apoy ko. Payhanan ni.
What are you going to buy?
Fish crackers. Pila ka po. Ikaw go. Banta niya. Go with V. Okay. She needs a bodyguard. V.
That is a big bag of fish crackers.
Go.
That's fish.
Crackers. Yeah.
Yes, it comes with a dipping sauce. They're okay. I don't hate them. I could snap at them. Quickly going up into the hills. We already passed one checkpoint with the Philippine National Police, Army Police. What is that?
Philippine National Police. PNP. Yes, Kulambugan. That's Kulambugan.
Kolambugan. I had it wrong. Looks like more construction.
It's a rural house.
I guess that's a good thing. Construction means expansion. Okay, now we're gonna try these cheese rings. They look like they're covered with the Cheeto dust, but worse. They look like worse Cheetos dust. Those don't taste like Cheetos. There's something different about them. I don't think it's a bad different, but there's something different. Huh. Strange.
This is the next town to Kulambugan.
Balukai or something.
Maigo.
Oh. It's way off. Bus station. Oh yeah. Maigo Town Fiesta.
Ang fun, inayin natin sa Sabah. Oops.
It's like a busy little town. That's kind of weird. It seems like we keep going up and up, but there's still the ocean right there. But we just seem to be going up and up the hills. So I guess if you go that way, it's towards Marwai. And look up the battle that happened there just recently. Like within the past few years, there was a big battle that took out most of the city. It was kind of sad that it happened. I guess any big battles are. That really hurts civilians. But we're not going that way. Currently stuck in traffic going into Iligan City. Iligan. Have another checkpoint going into the city. This is the Iligan city. Iligan. I don't know if we're allowed to film.
You can see. Going to Claveria, I'm not sure, but we're like 2 hours down from Cebu.
It's not going to be a first reaction because I already ate one. So second reaction, it's a bingka. I guess it's like a rice cake. Kind of like a rice cake. Get it open. It's very soft, warm.
How does it taste?
Like super moisturized, just texture, a little sweet, but it's nice. It's nice. Meat is good.
Okay. It's going to
Okay. So we went through an interesting checkpoint where we a bunch of checkpoints where we had to get out of the car and clean our feet.
That's called quarantine.
And this was at the town of
Lebowitz.
Yes. And then we got some bibinco, which is kind of like a cooked rice.
Sticky rice.
Cooked sticky rice in a patty. That's pretty good. And we're still on our way to CDO, which is the town that's actually
Cagayan de Oro, the city of golden friendship.
yeah, what she said. But the sun is starting to go down, and we're still at least 47 miles away. And 47 miles is not the same in the Philippines as it is in the U.S. I mean, the distance is the same, but the time is a lot longer because of the roads. Or maybe it was 47 kilometers. Or kilometers, should I say. I thought it said miles, but maybe it was kilometers. Okay. Well, we are in CDO. Unfortunately, I can't show you more because it's dark now. But we made it. So, yeah, so that'll probably be it for today. Take care. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.